Nature never ceases to amaze us with moments that defy belief. Today, we're diving into some of the most spectacular, one-in-a-billion occurrences that have been caught on camera. Make sure to like and follow the video until the end so you don't miss any of the mysteries that lie ahead. Hailstorms like this in Gansu can happen when strong thunderstorms mix with cooler air higher in the atmosphere, causing hail to form. Unfortunately, when combined with heavy rain, the result is often flash floods and streets filled with both water and ice. Looks like a winter storm collided with a flood. It's not often you see streets covered in what looks like snow while cars are wading through floodwaters.
There's a bit rolling here. Oh, there's a bit coming out into the sea. Oh, look at it.
It's breathtaking to witness something as powerful as a glacier calving at Nikko Harbor. The beauty of nature's raw power is undeniable. How do you think the construction team will recover from this kind of setback? The massive retaining wall collapsed like a wave of concrete, sending dust and debris flying across the site. The construction workers must have been left in shock as the wall crumbled before their eyes in Hanlova. As terrifying as it must have been, witnessing lightning strike so close is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, something to remember forever. As Typhoon Gayemi moves closer to Yilan County, the heavy rains and strong winds have already started battering Suao. The storm's intense pressure system is driving the destructive weather, leaving the streets soaked and dangerous. It's like the trees were made of paper, the way the storm ripped those branches off. The winds in Destin are showing no mercy, turning what should be a peaceful drive into a chaotic, stormy obstacle course. Looks like the hospital's getting a surprise hail check-in. That's unbelievable. I guess even the weather needs a quick visit now and then.
Pues nos salimos del Conde.
Ah, exacto, güey.
Mexico City is particularly vulnerable to earthquakes due to its location near tectonic plate boundaries. This 7.1 magnitude earthquake caused widespread damage, with buildings collapsing and streets filled with debris. It's like the Earth is saying, maybe it's time to rethink those building codes. Coastal areas are especially vulnerable to storm surges and high waves like these during intense storms. The combination of strong winds, low pressure, and high tides can create dangerous conditions, as seen here with the waves flooding the shore. Hope no one had plans to use the slide today. There's something awe-inspiring about watching the Stromboli volcano erupt at night. The way the lava illuminates the darkness is both beautiful and powerful. It is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, erupting almost continuously. Talk about a literal rocky road. Sichuan just threw an unexpected detour into everyone's travel plans. It's like the mountain decided to make things more exciting for those drivers. At least, nobody got hit. That dust devil is like a tiny tornado's distant cousin, without the destruction. It doesn't tear through homes, but it still looks like it could give you a surprise if you wandered into its path.
We have to wait a few minutes anyway for that.
My whole entire garage is flooded right now.
Well, I guess the weather in Arizona wasn't in the mood to shop today. That microburst just came in like, sorry, I'm closing this place down. Hope the guy's insurance is as fast as that storm was. Perito Moreno Glacier is one of the few glaciers in the world that is still growing. However, calving events like this are normal and happen when pressure from the ice's weight causes pieces to break off into the water, contributing to the glacier's continuous cycle. If Hualien City needed a wake-up call, the Earth just hit the snooze button with a 7.4 magnitude earthquake. Bet no one was expecting the city's streets to shake things up like that.